Have you ever been driving your car and wondered, what else can this thing do? Well, what if I told you your car might be hiding features you've never used? Features that could make driving safer, easier, and way more fun. Today we're uncovering 10 secret car features most people don't know about. And trust me, once you learn these, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. And before we start, a quick note, subscribing to our channel not only gives you insider knowledge about cars, but it also helps me reach monetization so I can pay my college fees and keep creating content like this. Your support really means the world to me. Alright, let's get into it. Hidden fuel tank arrow. You've probably been in a rental car or even your own car, confused about which side the fuel cap is on. Most cars have a small arrow next to the fuel gauge on the dashboard. That tiny arrow quietly tells you which side your gas tank is on. It's simple, but saves so much time and embarrassment at the pump. 4. Child lock switch. You've probably noticed a tiny switch on the edge of your back doors. That's the child lock. Flip it on, and the door can't be opened from the inside. Super useful for families or even Uber drivers who want extra safety. 5. Rear view mirror night mode. See that little tab under your rear view mirror? It's not just decoration. Flip it, and it goes into night mode, reducing glare from headlights behind you. If you're driving at night and struggling with bright lights, this hidden gem is a lifesaver. 6. Tire pressure reset button. Some cars with TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system have a reset button hidden under the dashboard or in the glove box. If you inflate your tires and the warning light won't turn off, this is the trick most mechanics use to fix it. Most people don't realize they can access their cabin air filter easily, usually behind the glove box. Replacing it yourself saves you money and, honestly, instantly improves air quality in your car. In many modern cars there's a glow-in-the-dark handle inside the trunk. It's actually a safety feature that allows someone to escape if they're trapped. It's one of those things you hope you never need, but yeah, it's there. Some vehicles automatically adjust radio volume based on your speed. Drive faster, the music gets louder. Slow down, it lowers. It's designed so you can always hear clearly over road noise, no manual adjustments needed. Okay, so here's a cool one, the panic button trick. That red panic button on your fob isn't just for emergencies, believe it or not. If you can't find your car in a crowded parking lot, just press and hold it, and your car will honk and flash its lights, basically guiding you straight to it. And there you have it. 10 secret car features you probably didn't know existed. So, which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear which one you'll try first. And again, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Not only will you keep learning incredible car tips, but you'll also be helping me reach monetization, which supports my college education and allows me to keep making videos for you. Your support really changes everything. Thanks for watching.